Welcome to our Mount St. Joseph Matriculation Higher Secondary School. My dear children, today class Social Science Standard 4th. The topic is the history of Madras Presidency. Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I am fine. I'll hope all are fine. The Almighty God be with you. Children, have you seen Marina Beach? Have you seen Mahabalipuram? Have you seen the theme parks, for example, Golden Beach, Kishkinda, MGM? Good children. Children, why I ask these questions? Because today we are going to discuss about the Chennai city. Chennai on the Bay of Bengal in eastern India is the capital of the state of Tamil Nadu. The city is home to Fort St. George, built in 1644, and now a museum showcasing the city's roots as a British military garrison and East India Company trading outpost. When it was called Madras, religious sites include Kabalishwara temple adorned with carved and painted gods. Children, shall we start the lesson? The story of Madras Presidency. Madras Presidency was formed in 1801. It was an important province. Children, province means one of the areas that some countries are divided into with its own local government. Okay? Children, Madras Presidency was formed in 1801. It was an important province of British India. British India. It was also known as Madras Province and officially known as the Presidency of Fort St. George. Fort St. George. It included areas of southern India, such as the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, parts of Odisha, and the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. The city of Madras, now known as Chennai, was the capital of the presidency. The city of Madras, known as Chennai. Chennai was the capital of the presidency. Chennai was the capital of the presidency. In 1862, the province was divided into 22 districts. How many districts, children? 22. How many districts? 22 districts. In year, which year? 1862. 1862, the province was divided into 22 districts. Then it was divided into 24 districts. 24 districts. Later, in 1911, children, listen carefully. Later, in 1911, the province was further divided into 26 districts, including North Arcot, South Arcot, Chengalpattu, Madras, Salem, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Madurai, Ramnath, Tirunelveli, and Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. It was under British rule until 1947. It was under British rule until 1947. The city of Madras, now known as Chennai. The city of Madras, known as Chennai, was the capital of the presidency. In 1862, the province was divided into 22 districts. Then it was divided into 24 districts. Later, in 1911, the province was further divided into 26 districts, including North Arcot, South Arcot, Chengalpattu, Madras, Salem, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Madura, Ramnath, Tirunelveli and Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. It was under British rule until 1947. The first British governor of Madras Presidency was Edward Clive. Children, the first British governor of Madras Presidency was Edward Clive. Edward Clive. E-D-W-A-R-D. Edward Clive. C-L-I-V-E. Clive. Edward Clive. The first British governor of Madras Presidency was Edward Clive, and the last governor was Archibald Edward Nye. The last governor was Archibald Edward Nye. Archibald. A-R-C-H-I-B-A-L-D. Archibald. Edward. E-D-W-A-R-D. Edward Nye. Nye. N-Y-E. Nye. Archibald Edward Nye was the last governor. The first British governor of Madras Presidency was Edward Clive, and the last governor was Archibald Edward Nye. Children, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, first Prime Minister of India. Children, on 15 August 1947, the first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the national flag at the Lahore Gate of Red Fort in New Delhi. In 1956, the Madras state consisted of 13 districts, namely Madras, Chengalpattu, North Arcot, South Arcot. Madras, M-A-D-R-A-S, Madras. Chengalpattu, C-H-E-N-G-A-L-P-A-T-T-U, Chengalpattu. North Arcot, N-O-R-T-H, North. Arcot, A-R-C-O-T, Arcot. North Arcot. South Arcot, S-O-U-T-H, South Arcot. A-R-C-O-T, Arcot. South Arcot. Madras, Chengalpattu, North Arcot, South Arcot. Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore. Salem, S-A-L-E-M, Salem, Tiruchirappalli. T-I-R-U-C-H-I-R-A-P-A-L-L-I, Tiruchirappalli. Tanjore, T-H-A-N-J-A-B-U-R, Tanjore. Coimbatore, the Nilgiris, Madurai. Coimbatore, C-O-I-M-B-A-T-O-R-E, Coimbatore. Nilgiris, N-I-L-G-I-R-I-S, Nilgiris. Madurai, M-A-D-U-R-A-I, Madurai. Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram. Tirunelveli, T-I-R-U-N-E-L-V-E-L-I, Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram. R-A-M-A-N-A-T-H-A-P-U-R-A-M, Ramanathapuram. Kanyakumari, K-A-N-N-I-Y-A-K-U-M-A-R-I, Kanyakumari. let us learn more about the 4 regions of Tamil Nadu. How many regions? 4 regions. 4 regions of Tamil Nadu. First region, Madras. M-A-D-R-A-S, Madras. First region, Madras. The modern districts of Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanchipuram. Tiruvallur, T-I-R-U-V-A-L-L-U-R, Tiruvallur. Kanchipuram, K-A-N-C-H-E-E-P-U-R-A-M, Kanchipuram. Tiruvallur and Kanchipuram constituted the Madras districts. The modern districts of Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanchipuram constituted the Madras districts. British bought a part of the land from the Nayak rulers. Which rulers? Nayak rulers in 1639. Nayak rulers in 1639. They built Fort St. George. At present, did you know, children? Yes, Secretariat. Fort St. George, and named the area Madarasapattinam. M-A-D-R-A-S-A. M-A-D-R-A-S-A. Pattinam. P-A-T-T-I-N-A-M. Pattinam. Madarasapattinam. They built Fort St. George. Who's built? Nayak. Good. Nayak built Fort St. George and named the area Madarasapattinam. Children, let us know about Gudiyam Caves. Gudiyam Caves. Gudiyam Caves are rock shelters in South India and are known for their prehistoric stone tools and evidence of humans living there nearby 2 lakh years ago. How many years ago? 2 lakh years ago. Gudiyam Caves are rock shelters in South India and are known for their prehistoric stone tools and evidence of humans living there nearby 2 lakh years ago. Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. Mamallapuram. M-A-M-A-L-L-A-P-U-R-A-M. P-U-R-A-M. Mamallapuram. Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. It has many rock sculptures, children. It has many rock sculpture. Have you all seen the Mamallapuram, children? It has many rock sculptures and is declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. It has many rock sculptures and is declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Good children. Uttiramerur. Next, we are going to see Uttiramerur. Uttiramerur. U-T-H-I-R-A-M-E-R-U-R. Uttiramerur. U-T-H-I-R-A-M-E-R-U-R. Uttiramerur. Uttiramerur, an ancient Chola village. Uttiramerur, an ancient Chola village, is located in Kanchipuram districts. Which districts, children? Kanchipuram districts. Uttiramerur located in Kanchipuram districts. The temple inscriptions of Uttiramerur are notable for their historical descriptions of rural self-governance. The temple inscription of Uttaramerur are notable for their historical descriptions of rural self-governance. Children, next we are going to see North Orchard. North Orchard, N-O-R-T-H, North Orchard, A-R-C-O-T, Orchard, North Orchard. The modern districts of Vellore, B-E-L-L-O-R-E, Vellore, B-E-L-L-O-R-E, Vellore. The modern districts of Vellore and Thiruvannamalai constituted the North Orchard districts. Thiruvannamalai, T-I-R-U-B-A-N-N-A-M-A-L-A-I, Thiruvannamalai. The modern districts of Vellore and Thiruvannamalai constituted the North Orchard districts. Children, Vellore Fort is an ancient fort built in 1566. Children, have you all seen Vellore Fort? Good. Vellore Fort is an ancient fort built in which year, children? 1566. Vellore Fort is an ancient fort built in 1566 by Chinna Bommi Nayak and Timma Reddy Nayak. Children, listen carefully. Chinna Bommi Nayak and Timma Reddy Nayak. Chinna Bommi Nayak. Chinna, C-H-I-N-N-A, Chinna Bommi, B-O-M-M-I, Bommi Nayak, N-A-Y-A-K, Nayak. Chinna Bommi Nayak and Timma Reddy Nayak. Timma, T-H-I-M-M-A, Timma Reddy, R-E-D-D-Y, Reddy Nayak, N-A-Y-A-K, Nayak. Chinna Bommi Nayak and Timma Reddy Nayak. Vellore Fort is an ancient fort built in 1566 by Chinna Bommi Nayak and Timma Reddy Nayak. Children, the Vainu Babu Observatory is an astronomical observatory. Vainu Babu Observatory. Vainu, V-A-I-N-U, Vainu Babu, B-A-P-P-U, Babu. Vainu Babu Observatory, O-B-S-E-R-V-A-T-O-R-Y, Observatory. The Vainu Babu Observatory is an astronomical observatory. Astronomical observatory. Astronomical, A-S-T-R-O-N-O-M-I-C-A-L, astronomical, astronomical. The Vainu Babu Observatory is an astronomical observatory. It is located at Kavalur. Where is it located? Kavalur. Vainu Babu Observatory located at Kavalur. Kavalur, K-A-V-A-L-U-R, Kavalur. This is the biggest observatory in Asia. Children, listen carefully. This is the Vainu Babu Observatory is the biggest observatory in Asia. Vainu Babu Observatory is the biggest observatory in Asia. Children, next we are going to discuss about South Orchard district. The modern districts of Viluppuram and Kadalur constituted the South Orchard district. Auroville is an experimental township in Viluppuram district near Puducherry. It is a place where people from all over the world come and live together to build a culture of unity. Children, Jinji Fort, also called as Senji Fort, is one of the beautiful forts in Tamil Nadu. This fortress is built across 3 hill rocks. How many? 3 hill rocks. three hillocks in Viluppuram district. The British called this fort as Troy of the East. Troy of the East. Porto Novo, also called as Parangipettai, is situated in Kadalur district. The first iron and steel industry of India was located at Porto Novo in 1830. Children, now we are going to discuss about region first. Region first. It is divided into three parts: Madras, North Arcot, South Arcot. Madras, M-A-D-R-A-S, Madras, M-A-D-R-A-S, Madras. It has Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanchipuram. Chennai, C-H-E-N-N-A-I, Chennai. Tiruvallur, T-I-R-U-V-A-L-L-U-R, Tiruvallur. Chennai, Tiruvallur. Kanchipuram, Kanchipuram, K-A-N-C-H-E-E, Kanchi, K-A-N-C-H-E-E, Kanchipuram, P-U-R-A-M, Puram, Kanchipuram. Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram. The next one, North Arcot. North Arcot. North, N-O-R-T-H, North Arcot, A-R-C-O-T, Arcot, North Arcot. It has Vellur and Tiruvannamalai. Vellur and Tiruvannamalai. Vellur, V-E-L-L-O-R-E, Vellur, V-E-L-L-O-R-E, Vellur. Tiruvannamalai, T-I-R-U-V-A-N-N-A, Tiruvanna, T-I-R-U, Tiruvanna, V-A-N-N-A, Vanna, Tiruvannamalai, M-A-L-A-I, Malai, Tiruvannamalai. North Arcot as Vellur and Tiruvannamalai. Next one, children, third one, South Arcot. South Arcot, South Arcot, South, S-O-U-T-H, South Arcot, A-R-C-O-T, Arcot, South Arcot. South Arcot as Viluppuram and Kadalur. Viluppuram and Kadalur. Viluppuram, V-I-L-L-U-P-U-R-A-M, Viluppuram, V-I-L-L-U-P-U-R-A-M, Viluppuram. Kadalur, Kadalur, C-U-D-D-A-C-U-D-D-A-L-O-R-E, Kadalur, C-U-D-D-A-L-O-R-E, Kadalur. Region 1 has 3 districts: Madras, North Arcot, South Arcot. Madras has Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanchipuram. North Arcot has Vellur, Tiruvannamalai. South Arcot has Viluppuram and Kadalur. Thank you, children. I hope all are understood.